Come on.
It's live, bro.
Hey, yo, guys, I'm in a spaceship. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad, you know.
But this is the start, fam.
Woo! Why did she roar?
Oh, why does she roar?
If you could see this is a spaceship, the lights, the
I'm
AMG.
a bit lighting.
Bro, I feel like a bad bee. How about that?
That's wild. Let's go for this. Burn.
I don't know if I'm ready for the spin.
You're ready, fam. You're ready.
I'm strapped in, I'm secure. You know what I'm saying?
Hey! Hey! Lightage! There's lightage! We can see what we're doing!
Wait, hear this though.
Dangerous.
If I'm about to spin this,
This is dangerous. Put my seatbelt.
Put your seat, we're about to spin it.
Wait, I need to see myself because if I don't look good, that's send the raw video
No, you look good. You can see yourself.
and you're gonna have to blur it.
No, don't be doing all of that, man. You look fine. Look at you.
Wait, is it already recording?
Yeah, you can see. Ain't not gonna pop your seatbelt.
I am.
Oh. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, that sounds. The AMG touch, right?
Let me zoom in on that.
You gotta zoom in on that. You gotta let them know that we're doing AMG around it. Well, it's not AMG, but it matters really. Ooh. Shall I put it in Sport Plus? So you can hear local rev.
Whoa. That's a big boy car.
There's a big boy engine in it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Big boy engine.
Ooh, engine. Wait, what am I listening?
That sounds nice.
Yeah. Ooh. That sounds alright to be fair.
Alright.
No, just alright. Put it on something else so I understand the difference. So this is the sports one.
So you feel like every car sounds like that?
Right, let's try a different.
Yeah, man.
No,
Yeah,
try
come on, let's go
something
for
else
this.
so I understand.
You used to understand.
Well, I know, but it sounds good.
Whatever.
It sounds good.
I'm not gonna lie, I was looking at how much space is between the front seat and the back seat. I was like, that's yo.
But honestly though, in any car that I'm in, it's gonna be like
It's
that.
gonna be the same, exactly.
Yeah. Like it doesn't really matter the car that I'm in. Like even Range Rovers and stuff, it's the same.
You're gonna have to be on top of your game in family planning.
So should I go this way?
Yeah, just go straight. You can tell me.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting this, to be honest.
You wasn't expecting this?
No.
Well, if I was gonna come through in a Nissan Micra.
Nah.
There's nothing wrong with a Micra, but I'm saying like you thought I was gonna come in like a Micra or something.
Nah, I thought you were bringing like maybe like a Mini Cooper or something. You know what I mean? Yeah, so let's go for a spin. I promised myself I wouldn't do any more dash cams. Dashboard babes, I mean. Fire the mountain! This has all your enemies flee.
Flee.
When they hear this, your enemies will flee.
They'll flee for you.
Mad is.
Woo! Woo!
Oh my days!
It's like just brake traction though.
Huh. Whoa. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I've not felt power like this. You know, it doesn't even feel like it's pushing, but bro.
Nah.
Ha! My blood is circulating. If your blood cannot circulate over a car engine, go and find a new friend or a
You
new
gotta find a
girlfriend.
new friends.
Jesus is Lord. Bye bye.
Hear that downshift?
Jeez. You got paddle shift, you got paddles as well.
What's about paddles,
You're gonna rinse this car. This car's gonna get rinsed. They gave you paddles. They gave you paddles. It's not finished. And you've been doing Formula 1 in the house.
Okay, let's go.
Little drive.
Little drive, whatever. The car's so smooth as well.
Sounds very, very nice. Are we getting free rides? Oh! Season.
Like the memory seats, everything. Got
So
heated
the
seats.
lighting and the speaker, like,
Yeah, bro.
that game.
That's insane, right? Do you want me to open the sunroof? It's got a sunroof, you know.
It's raining.
Yeah, so.
I don't like the rain coming down. Whoa! Woo. It's proper smooth, like driving on air smooth. Woo. Damn! I like how the engine sounds.
And the heat as well. I know
Yeah.
every car has heat in, but
Yeah,
there's
because-
something about the heat in here.
This one is different.
Yeah, it's instant. I'm not waiting for my seat to be warm. I'm like, let it be warm, and it goes shh.
Bam.
I feel like a bad bee. I knew I should have put on my sunglasses. I knew I
Mate,
should have
it's
put on.
that.
It doesn't matter. It's crazy. Ooh, it sounds banging. Ooh. What are you driving 90 miles per hour?
No, that was like
30.
No, that was like 10.
And what?
You know, it's funny, like, say we were back home in Ghana, the drivers on the road would respect the car, man. The minute they see it, they'd be like, let us slow down.
That's comfort though as well.
That's comfort.
That's just
Man, I
comfort.
put on
bro.
sport.
Man said put it in sport.
Put in sport, let's go.
Yeah, straight up.
Straight up, man. If there's anyone who's gonna get this car, it'd be you. It'd be you. Even though it doesn't make sense with your long legs.
No, bro, I got hella space. Look at me, fam. I'm chilling.
Let's go.
You like that, Ruben? Ruben in the back. I don't know if you can see him. Ruben, say hi.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I like the red colour as well. The leather's nice as well.
Yeah.
It's nice. Nah, I'm impressed, bro. Congrats. I feel inspired, man.
Feel inspired. That's what we're trying to do, man. We're trying to inspire and motivate. Make sure you put your seatbelt in. I'm
Obviously,
about to spin
they
this.
gave me the seatbelt, so I couldn't even decline. I couldn't even say no.
Yeah, it's like it's waking up.
I beg, please. I beg. Okay.
I thought I'm gonna spin it. You said okay.
Spin. I thought you was like turning the light. Ooh.
Yo! I know you're gassed about
Clock, fam.
I know you're gassed about
Bro, you know you need it though. You know you need the clock, fam. If you don't have the clock, what's the point?
Digital clocks.
It doesn't matter. You need that clock there.
La 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 la. She's noisy as well.
Fam, it's not easy.
You just went too fast.
I didn't even go quick. That's his little 30 miles an hour.
You can't tell me you like an electric car.
Huh?
So you can't tell me you prefer electric cars.
What's an electric car? What's that? And I can put it in manual mode as well. You hear the dancing stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's bad. It's a proper like sports car, isn't it?
No. So what? It's like the highest variant of like the C class. So after this is AMG. So you've got highest variant of the normal C classes.
Oh, okay, Speedy Gonzalez. All right, then.
I was only doing 20.
What is about to come off? Can you make that sound without speeding?
I'm not even speeding. I'm doing 25.
I think it's the wind. Can I shut the window?
If you want to.
It's throwing me off.
Show me what a car can do.
GoPro drop.
GoPro did not survive. GoPro, you did not survive. Bro. Yeah, right here, man. Like, you know what I like as well? It's got good brakes too.
Yeah, nice.
That's what I like.
That's one thing about Mercs though. The Natchez have nice smooth brakes.
Yeah, man. I'm not gonna lie though. Maintenance and repairs.
Fam, I'm not thinking about that right now.
Wow, that's
You
crazy.
hear that?
That's crazy. Wow.
You hear that?
And it's so smooth as well, like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Very smooth. The fact that you're doing 25
And it just glides,
and
right?
it's just,
Fam, but this is why I say like this car is dangerous because you could easily do over 100.
yeah,
You
not
wouldn't even realise.
No, exactly. Especially with this engine sound. I thought
What,
you were
this?
doing it. Yes, that. Oh, damn. Sorry, excuse me. Look at my friend's car. Look at my friend's car. Ooh. Nah,
crazy,
it's
right?
just, it's like it's singing to me.
Singing.
This is a lullaby. I beg. Look at that Range Rover. You can't stay with us. Look at that Honda in front of us. What?
I was looking at those.
My brother, God bless you. Yo,
Hey, I'm saying, I don't even need a C63 no more. I mean, I say that, but then.
he's gonna get a C63. Let's talk about this. I know you're bullying people on the roads now.
Nah, you know what? I don't, you know. I'm still nice.
He's the reason they hate German drivers. Yikes. How many times you been stopped?
Don't you know? This guy, man. Damn,
She's beautiful. What is it, V10?
I said he's on V10.
You're not even going 40, bro. That's
I'm not even touching 40.
That's just off.
Like,
That's just
literally
straight
from 15 to 30.
You like fast cars.
It's not even quick.
It's a beautiful interior. It's got amazing specifications. You're going too fast. No, please. No. Oh my god. Oh. See?
I'm not even going quick. I'm doing 20 miles an hour. It's just the sound of the car. It sounds like I'm going quicker than what I'm going.
No, also the sound of the car is
You like it? The old school.
amazing, yeah.
This
It's
is nice,
different,
man.
It's different.
Nice,
I'm
red
telling you.
interior.
You
know,
got the sunroof.
the sunroof.
Imagine the summer.
You know when it That's
Yeah.
my next car too. My next car.
Fam, imagine in summer, sorry, take your babes for a little date. Bam, night time now, chilling.
With the ambient light.
You know what I'm saying? Make it feel comfortable. Ah, it's different, fam. It's like,
It's the look you give me. Yeah, I'm joining the Merc gang.
you have to, fam.
God willing.
Yeah, you
God
have to,
willing,
man. Throw that BMW away, I don't know why you have that.
Okay, cool. Okay. Hey,
It's serious, isn't it?
look at how my mom was looking at you. See who this guy think he is?
It's serious.
It's
But the
big
thing is-
no limit, not the little one.
Uncle, get out the way.
You in this car? Absolute insanity, bro. How have you not got a ticket yet?
It's like you're driving on air, like it's like you're floating.
That's the thing about C-classes, they're so comfortable.
Oh, it's so
Let
comfortable.
me slow it down a bit.
The aesthetics inside, like. Oh, what? Now you're playing too much.
I'm not even going that quick,
The
yo.
new boys and you're driving, gosh. No, but you're a good driver though.
Ah, come on,
You're a
wait,
good driver.
say that one more time for the haters. I'm what?
You're a good driver.
Come on, let them know.
Interior's nice, the colors are shining, we can see what we're doing.
Yeah, man.
Life is good, every color change, like the rainbow.
Come on, hey, don't say no rainbow.
She goes like a horse, which is also very, very important. Like I said
It goes
before,
like a horse.
if your babe no engine says, brothers, change your babe.
Oh, and also,
Go ahead.
I like this feature here
What feature?
of like.
Oh, the seats, like medium
Yeah.
through the seats. Yeah,
so I
nice,
can go
right?
up and down, but you know, for us tall girls,
Girl, you're not even that tall, man.
I am.
You're like 5'5".
I'm like. First of all, I'm not 5'5", I'm 5'9".
What? Don't make me stop this car. 5 what? So you approve?
I definitely approve. I'm so happy for you.
Do you know what? My favourite feature is the boot. That whole leg thing.
Oh, the keyless go aspect. Oh, okay.
That's my favourite thing. I like these velvet lights, whatever they're called.
Ambient lighting.
Ambient lighting.
How can you have velvet lights?
Because the colour's velvet. I don't
First of all,
understand that question.
Isn't that violet?
Did I say velvet? I like these violet lights.
I didn't know that way.
They're hitting me violently.
Hey! Don't even hang it.
Oh, sorry.
Normally,
Yeah, go on.
in cars like this, the seats aren't comfortable. This is very
Mad
comfortable,
comfortable, right?
Mad
Yeah,
comfortable.
yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you. The ambient lighting, man. Look at
Yeah.
the ambient lighting.
Also-
I wish it was like evening time though, because then
Oh,
you'd
it
be able
will
to
pop
see it.
because you can see it's
exactly.
It's
man.
all over the AMG logo and stuff.
Can you change the colours?
Yeah. It changes colours, bro. It
I
changes
mean, I know
colours.
you, you're a romantic guy. Valentine's Day, you'll be changing it to red. I know you.
Obsessed. Obsessed.
But my thing though,
The
imagine in
aesthetics.
summer with the sunroof.
Oh, I'm so
I'm
gassed.
just cruising, pick up a little babes, take her for a spin. I'm joking. I'm married already.
Nah, well, congrats, man.
Thank you, man.
Many more to come, innit? I'm enjoying the ride, man. Keep going.
I said enjoying.
Nah, it's nice. It's nice.
But you like the car, yeah?
I love L-O-V-E
L-O-V-E.
T-H-E. No,
T-H-E.
sorry. I'm rewinding. L-O-V-E space T-H-E space C-A-R exclamation mark. Love the car.
Love the car. I got
Love
confused for a second.
Yeah. Too much fun.
It's different, bro.
I'm influenced. You are the influencer.
But
So happy for you, man.
thank you, bro. You know, it's literally all thanks to
God.
God.
The giveaway. Yeah, you better give away. Do you know what car this is? Thank you. The BMW respected artist. Jesus. Not even on the bridge, please. Look, watch the pedestrians.
What
You
pedestrians?
see, look at them.
They're far,
They
man.
literally looked at you so scared. I'm so sorry, Susan.
Why the bumps though, man?
Cause it's for people like you. Look at, oh my god.
Well, it's been a great experience. Like I said before, guys, 2025, if your babe no car, change your babe.
Change her.
Change her.
Fast.
2025, change her. If you don't know the vavavoom or the vuvuvam. For this life, enjoy yourself. Work hard. And God go bless all of us. What's your just name? Can I get a amen? Amen.
Amen.
Guys, 2025, but